You climbing up on the ottoman? Uh-oh. Did you say Elmo?
Elmo.
Good job. Can you say see ya?
See ya.
Good job. Where's your ear? Hannah. Hey, Hannah. Hannah, where's your ear? Touch your ear. You busy? Touch your ear. Good job. Where's your nose? Touch your ear. Say bye-bye. Are you sleepy? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Did you just fart?
No.
Yes, you did. I heard it. Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody. And say bye-bye. Good job. Say hi, everybody. Come visit me. Come visit me. I'm fun. Give a kiss. Say. All right, say bye-bye. We gotta go to Jamboree. Good job.